Hello, welcome to Cocoknits. I'm going to show you how to replace the comb in your Fuzz Off comb. You should get lots of mileage from the comb that the Fuzz Off comb comes with. It should get you a good 6 months, maybe more. But when you do need to replace it, we've got refills. And the way you're going to do this is look at the construction. You're going to see on one side you do not have a divot, and on the other side you do have a divot off to what is my left, off this way. Just kind of put your fingernail or thumbnail down into it and pull a little bit. It should come pretty easily. You shouldn't need, to use anything, any kind of a tool to pull it out. You can if you want, but that should come pretty easily. And then just slide it off, and you'll see that the comb is on there because there are little holes in the comb and little guys that stick out there to hold it in place. So you can get your new comb. This is exactly the same. By the way, you get 3. So this is probably, between the original and these 3 replacements, you probably have a good 2 to 3 years. All right, so take the new comb, just make sure that the comb part of it is facing down and get it onto those little parts that are sticking out that hold it, and kind of hold it in place and turn it so that the divot is off to the left again. And then you just line it up with this guy, make sure the comb is staying in place, and slip it back on. It should give a little click, but that's basically it. I usually snap off this cover. If it gets in the way, just snap it off completely. You can use this without it. And when you go to refill, you want to look for the side that is not a solid cover. The side that has the kind of seam down it. That's the side you want facing you, and you just get it a little bit loosened up there, and it slides up and off. All right, and then you can see you just take the comb right out. It's not sharp. The edge under there is protected with this cage that's welded onto the front of it. So you should be fine handling it. So the way you want to do this is you want to make sure that cage is facing down, and then you see the little knobs right there. The holes in this comb fit right in there. And then on this side, you do want the solid side, not this sort of half. You want the side that's longer. And you've got little cutouts you can see in there. The tab that's on this fits in the bottom one. And this little guy right here, the very top of where the comb is, fits into that sort of center hole. So you just get it on there and then just slide it into place, and you're ready to go. Again, it's easier to take it off with the split side facing you. And then you just fit it. The tab there does not go in that top one, but down in the very bottom one. Just get it positioned and slide it right on. And you're ready to comb. Get some fuzzies off. Again, that blade is protected. So it's really more of a comb, and it's safe to switch out and safe for any fine knitwear. It doesn't just brush them off, it actually very carefully slices off all your fuzzies. So there you go. Happy combing.